thought it would be so much colder today, so I'm pleasantly surprised that it's not, actually. And I was thinking on my way here now that Caprise, there are so many birds of prey. I should have remembered to bring my camera. Oh, sorry, off track. Oh my gosh, there are so many birds of prey here. I really want to bring my camera next time. Hopefully they're out and about then as well. Yeah, Caprise. She reminds me so much of my first co-rider horse, Parade. They are both extremely sensitive and highly reactive. So I'm gonna try to be, because Parade never ever really did anything bad either, but I got him somehow less reactive, and I can't remember what it was that I did that was so effective. I need to think on that and see if I can remember and practice it with Caprise. Oh, you can see Sixten and Caprise up ahead, and also the cows. Darn it. Oh well. Hi! Are you guys good with cars? There's a high-pitched noise coming somewhere from my car. Like metal scraping on metal. Dude. I don't like that at all. Hi! Are you good with cars? That sound. What the heck was that? I can't see anything stuck in my tires. Damn it. So it's become a little bit of a routine. Hey, that I give this little guy his breakfast on Saturdays. And he's in this little pasture today. Hey, Killen. You want some breakfast? I give you that so that I can work in peace. Yes. Be good. So none of you knows anything about metallic, high-pitched noises in cars, do you? Bummer. Well, I have to keep my fingers crossed that it was something quite temporary. I thought we should walk here and introduce you to the cows, if you can see them. This is so annoying. I don't want this. Can you see the cows up here? Now they're hard to see because they're behind the trees. But we're just gonna stand here today and look at the... Oh, so they're not dangerous when they have grass around them. Is that it? I knew you were just being silly. They're not dangerous. Ja, Sixten, jag hör dig. But do you see the cows? Do you see them? Yes, I think you do. They will not be eating us, okay? No, I swear. So when I have saddled you and we are in here actually riding, those things here that you seem to find so scary will not kill either one of us. Well, I mean, maybe at some point a cow will be able to kill a horse or a pile of tires, but that day is not today, okay? So Spook Corner is not as spooky when you can eat in it, right? Not scary at all when there's plenty of food in Spook Corner. Huh? The funny thing is, she will she will not probably remember that it's not spooky here. But yeah, I'm trying my best to just take her around the arena now, trying to desensitize the places that I know she reacts highly to. And she's absolutely crawling with midgets, and so am I. So too bad I forgot to take the homemade fly spray with me. Yeah. So let's see if you will allow me to set the route for today, because today I'm actually going to insist that I decide the route, okay? If you don't follow my instructions, we will just head right back to the arena, okay? Yeah. Are we agreed upon that? Wait, are you gonna poop? What are you gonna do? Seriously? Come on. You did say no, and I told you if you said no, we would head right back to the arena. So that's what we're gonna do. You did have a choice, and you actually made it. Yeah. You for two nice canters by the side of the road on the edge of a field. Now, I don't know you enough to film that the way I do with Pearl. So that's why there are no proof of the good girl you were. You know what, sweetie? Yes, we can go and eat here later, once I've gotten your saddle and stuff off, okay? Okay. Okay. Yes, you were a good girl. And I'm so happy you didn't bolt when the 3 deer came running. Thank you for that. Yes. Thank you so much for that. So, there is no way that I will film myself cantering on this horse when she is as reactive as she is. But I don't know if you can see the, let's see, those white hazelage packages on the edge close to the road. We got 2 nice canters in, and that relaxed her after seeing 3 deer run across that field. But she didn't bolt. That was amazing that she actually just stood still and watched the deer. So I'm very proud of you for that, sweetie. Yes, I am. I am very proud of you for that. Yes. Yes, I am. Yes. Now I'm nervous about my car and what it will sound like when I drive home. Sweetie, you are a horse in a ditch. Yes, you are. I'm very much taller than you are now. I'm always taller than you, but now I'm very much taller. Mm-hmm. Come on, ditch girl. It's getting cold in the wind and I'm hungry. So I know you're hungry too, but you do have food in your pasture, you know, although not as delicious, I realize. Not as delicious. Still, there's food in there. I haven't eaten since breakfast. Yeah. Come on.